How to create a pivot table in Google Sheets. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Sheets. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. After that, select all the table. After you select all the cells, and then click on Insert on top. In Insert, you'll find Pivot Table below Chart and above Image. Click on Pivot Table and the selected items will be in your pivot table. This is not available on my device. So this is a simplest way to create a pivot table in Google Sheet. And this is how to create a pivot table in Google Sheets. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.